So the next question is to find the area of the region that is enclosed between y equal to x square and y equal to x plus 6. So y equal to x square, so that's a parabola, and y equal to x plus 6, so it passes through the point 0, 6. So it is some line like this. Okay. Now we need to find out this is y equal to x square, that is the curve, lower curve. So this is a region which is, so നമുക്ക് ഈ shaded region area ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. So the curve below is y equal to x square and curve above is y equal to x plus 6. Now we need to find what are these 2 points. X equal to ഈ value തുടങ്ങി x equal to ഈ വാല്യൂ വരെ ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ ലിമിറ്റ് വേരി ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ഈ പോയിന്റ് ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ എയും ബിയും. സോ ഫോർ ഫൈൻഡിങ് ദ പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ഇന്റർസെക്ഷൻ, സോ ലെറ്റ് us take x square equal to x plus 6, that will give the point of intersection. So the point of intersection of the curves is given by, so that is given by x square equal to x plus 6. So that implies x square minus 6 equal to 0. So you will get x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So that gives x is equal to 3 and minus 2. So here b will be equal to 3 and this will be equal to, അപ്പോൾ ഈ പോയിന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3, 9 ആയിരിക്കും, and this will be minus 2, 4. So those will be the points. So therefore area of the region is, so that will be integral minus 2 to 3. So f of x minus g of x. So x plus 6 minus x square dx varum. So that is x square by 2 plus 6x minus x cube by 3 from minus 2 to 3. So that will be equal to, so you will get x square by 2 for 9 by 2 plus 18 minus x cube by 3 for 27 by 3 varum. Okay. Then minus x square by 2 for 4 by 2 plus 6x for minus 12 varum. Then minus x cube എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ okay, plus 8 by 3 varum. So that will be 9 by 2 plus 18 minus 9 minus 2 plus 12 minus 8 by 3. So that will be 9 by 2 plus, here you have 9, then 19 varum minus 8 by 3. So that will be, so you will get 6, then 27 plus 19 into 6 minus 60. So the value will be 125 by 6. So that is the required area. Now let us look at the next example. So find the area of the region enclosed by x equal to y square and y equal to x minus 2. So you have x equal to y square, so that will be this curve, and y equal to x minus 2, that will be the line which is passing through 0, 2 and 2, 0 and then minus 2, 0. Okay, so at 2, 0, you will get both will be 0, then 0 minus 2 എടുക്കുമ്പോഴും, so that will pass through the curve. Now we need to find these two points. So for finding the point of intersection, so point of intersection is given by so take the intersection of these two curves for ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ xo yo substitute ചെയ്യുക. So here let me take the value of, so let me take equation in y. So you will have y square equal to x in the value y plus 2. So y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So you will have y minus 2 into y plus 1 equal to 0. So y is 2 and minus 1. So when y is equal to 2, y equal to 2 വരുന്ന എവിടെയാണ്, y equal to 2 വരുമ്പം x will be equal to 4. So and when y is equal to minus 1, x will be 1. So this will be the point 1 minus 1. Now if you look at the curve below, okay, അപ്പോൾ curve below എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് രണ്ട് curvesന്റെ കോമ്പിനേഷൻ ആണ്. ഇവിടെ വരെ, അതായത് 1 വരെ, x equal to 1 വരെ ഈ curve ആണ് താഴെ. ഇനി x equal to 1 തുടങ്ങി x equal to 2 വരെ the curve changes. You have a, sorry, this is the point 4, 2. Okay, so when y is 2, x will be 4. Okay, so this is x equal to 4. So x equal to 0 തുടങ്ങി, this is the point 0. So x equal to 0 തുടങ്ങി x equal to 1 വരെ നമുക്ക് ബിലോ വരുന്ന കർവ് ഇതാണ്, ഇതാണ് അബോവ് വരുന്ന കർവ്. ഇനി x equal to 1 തുടങ്ങി x equal to 4 വരെ ബിലോ വരുന്നത് ലൈൻ ആണ്, then above parabolade portion. Okay, now this is you have the parabola x equal to y square. So x equal to y square implies, so you will have y equal to plus or minus root x. So here the y value is positive. അപ്പോൾ ഈ മുകളിലത്തെ പോർഷനിലെ കർവ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പോസിറ്റീവ് y value. So that will be y equal to root x, and here y value is going to be negative. So this is y equal to minus root x. അപ്പോൾ 0 തുടങ്ങി 1 വരെ below വരുന്ന പരാബോളയുടെ പോർഷൻ y equal to minus root x ഉം then above വരുന്ന പോർഷൻ y equal to root x ആണ്. ഇനി here below you have y equal to x minus 2, and above you have the portion of the parabola. So in the first region, so these are your curves f and g, and in the second portion below വരുന്ന curve change out. So therefore now the required area will be sum of these two areas. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം 0 തുടങ്ങി 1 വരെയുള്ള ഏരിയ എടുക്കുക, then 1 തുടങ്ങി 4 വരെയുള്ള ഏരിയ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. Okay, so you will get a combination of two integrals. So the area will be integral 0 to 1. So you will have root x minus root x dx plus, then next integral will be integral 1 to 4. Above you will have root x minus x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2 dx. So that is integral 0 to 1, 2 root x dx plus integral 1 to 4 root x minus x plus 2 dx. So that will be 2x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 0 to 1 plus x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x square by 2 plus 2x from, so second integral will vary from 1 to 4. So that is 4 by 3 into 1 വരും ആദ്യത്തേത് ലിമിറ്റ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ. So you will get 2 by 3 into 4 raised to 3 by 2. So that will be 8 minus 4 square 16 by 2, again 8 plus 8. So that is when you have the limit as 4. Then limit is 1, you will get 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 2. So that will be 4 by 3 plus 16 by 3. This will cancel off. Then minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 2. So that will be 20. You have 18 by 3. 18 by 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 by 2 minus 2. So that is 4 minus 1 by 2. So which will be equal to 7 by 2. Sorry, that is 4 plus 1 by 2. This plus 1 by 2. So you'll get 9 by 2. So the required value of the integral is 9 by 2. So this is an area problem where you have obtained as combination of two integrals. So your curves are actually changing.